Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can uninstall Android 14 update and how you can downgrade your Android 14 to 13 or to 12 or 11. So all you have to do now, open your Play Store and try to search Droid Fix Lab. So this is still early access, but already 50,000 user downloaded, and this app is in development, and you can be the one of the first to try and provide feedback here. Here you can use this app to downgrade your operating system on your Android phone. Here you can downgrade, you can uninstall your current version, refer to your old version, and here how the process show to you. So feel free to try to install this Droid Fix Lab. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, again, subscribe, and also click the next button below. See you in the next video.